Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Good morning.
Morning, sir.
Very good morning. Very good morning. So before the break, you had physics class, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Very good morning. How many attended the physics class? Do you have any idea?
70, sir.
70. Yesterday, 84 students, 84, 85 students participated in the assignment or slip test, whatever we can call it, whatever we can. And only, have you seen your score also in yesterday's Google form? Have you checked your score?
Yes, sir.
How many got, has anyone got 10 out of 10?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, just 6 to 7 got 10 out of 10. Some got 3, 4, 2, 1 or 2 got 0 also. What is the reason? Though we have been practicing for 3, 4 months, we made mistakes.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Very good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. We completed all these slides. Yeah, this was, if you want, you can take a screenshot of next slide. These were the questions I asked you yesterday. Has everybody noted down the questions yesterday? If not, you can take a screenshot of this. Yes, shall I go to the next slide?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This is the second part of that. I gave you 10 questions. These were the 10 questions I gave you. Have you taken the screenshot?
Yes, sir.
Now let's go to Come on, very quickly. You correct these sentences. You note down all these sentences in your notebook and write the correct sentences. He not only comes there for coaching, but also for swimming. This is the first sentence for today. Write it immediately and leave 2 lines for the corrected sentence. Note down all the sentences. Hope everybody has noted down the sentences. Now tell me, what is the correct sentence? He not only comes there for coaching, but also for swimming. Okay, this is a tough sentence. Let us leave it for the time being. Come to the second sentence. The driver which came first was Krishna.
The driver who came first was Krishna.
Right, very good. The driver who came first was Krishna. Right. Those who did not write, please write down. The driver who. The driver is a person, so we can't say which. It is not a thing. The driver is a person. So the driver who came first was Krishna. She is sick and she can run fast.
She is sick, but she
She
will
can run fast.
She is sick, but she can run fast. And one more thing, one more sentence also can be given.
She was sick, though she can run fast.
Though she is sick, she can run fast.
Yes, sir.
Though she is sick, she can run fast, right? Work hard, then you will not pass.
work hard, then you will pass.
Then you will
Work hard, then you will pass.
First.
If you do not work hard,
We will not
We will
pass.
fail.
you will not pass. That also can be written, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. If you do not work hard, you will not pass. Work hard, then you will pass. Matthews is very weak that he cannot run fast. Yesterday also similar sentence came. Matthews is very weak that he cannot run fast. So that not, do you not remember? So that not structure you learned in SSC. So that not. To. This sentence gurtunaya? 10th class law. You learned in 10th class. To. He is too weak to walk. He is too weak to run. He is so weak that he cannot run fast. That is the correct sentence. Matthews is very weak that he cannot run fast. Has to be rewritten as Matthews is so weak that he cannot run fast. అతడు ఎంత వీక్ గా ఉన్నాడంటే ఫాస్ట్ గా రన్ చేయాలంత వీక్ గా ఉన్నాడు. Matthews is so weak that he cannot run fast. You have to remember the structure. Please read all the sentences I am giving number of times. Matthews is so weak that he cannot run fast. And the same sentence can be rewritten as Matthews is too weak to run fast. Write this sentence also. Matthews is too weak to run fast. Matthews is too weak to run fast. Next, unless you don't pay the fee, you cannot write the exam.
Unless you pay the fee, you cannot write the.
Correct. Can you please repeat for others?
Unless you pay the fee.
Unless you pay the fee, you cannot write the exam.
Unless you
Correct.
pay the fee, you cannot write the
Others can note down. So come to the 8th sentence, because 7th is also a difficult one. I will explain. 8th one. Though Mallesh is poor, but he is honest.
Though Mallesh is poor, he is honest.
Correct. Very good. Though Mallesh is poor, he is honest. And you can rewrite the sentence removing though also. Malaysia is poor, but he is
Mallesh is poor, but he is honest.
But
Right.
he is honest.
right. Very good. Right. Now let us come to the first sentence. He not only comes అనగానే ఏమర్థమైందంటే అతడు రావడమే కాకుండా అంటే అతడు రావడమే కాకుండా అనగానే తెలుగులో నెక్స్ట్ ఏమొస్తుంది చెప్పండి. అతడు రావడమే కాకుండా డాష్ కూడా చేస్తాడు.
ఈత కూడా కొడతాడు.
Not only comes no మొత్తం I am not asking about the entire sentence, just he not only comes అనగానే ఏముంటుందని అనిపిస్తుంది నెక్స్ట్. డోంట్ రీడ్ దట్ సెంటెన్స్. he not only comes అనగానే బట్ ఆల్సో గోస్ వస్తుంది, అంతేనా? చూడండి, ఆలోచించండి.
Yes,
not only
sir.
comes బట్ ఆల్సో గోస్ ఉండాలి అక్కడ ఒకవేళ ఉన్నట్టయితే. మరి ఇక్కడ ఏముంది? he not only comes there for coaching but also for swimming. కోచింగ్ కి రావడమే కాకుండా స్విమ్మింగ్ కు కూడా వస్తాడు అంటే అర్థం ఎట్లా ఉండాలి సెంటెన్స్ అంటే he comes there not only for coaching, కోచింగ్ కే కాకుండా అంటే ఇంకో దేనికోసమో అన్నట్టు అర్థమవుతుంది. he comes there అక్కడికి వస్తాడు. he comes there for not only coaching but also for swimming. he comes there not only for coaching but also for swimming. he comes there not only for coaching but also for swimming. అర్థమైందా? he comes there
Yes, sir.
నాట్ ఓన్లీ అనేది రాగానే ఏదైతే ఉందో దానికి సంబంధించింది ఉండాలి బట్ ఆల్సో తర్వాత. ఇక్కడ నాట్ ఓన్లీ కమ్స్ అన్నాడు, బట్ ఆల్సో గోస్ వస్తుంది ఆటోమేటిక్గా. he not only paints but also draws sketches. he not only cooks but also ఏ వర్డ్ వర్బ్ ఉంటే వర్బ్, నౌన్ ఉంటే నౌన్, ఏది ఉంటే అదే వస్తుంది. సిమిలర్ది రావాలి నాట్ ఓన్లీ బట్ ఆల్సో. he comes there not only for coaching but also for swimming. he not only comes but also goes. అది స్ట్రక్చర్ అక్కడ ఉండేది. ఓకే, ప్లీజ్ రీడ్ అగైన్ అండ్ అగైన్, యూ విల్ అండర్స్టాండ్ ఇన్ డీటెయిల్. నెక్స్ట్, నో సూనర్ డిడ్ ద బెల్ రింగ్. ఇది నెగటివ్ తోటి మొదలైంది చూడండి సెంటెన్స్, రేరుగా ఉంటాయి ఇట్లాంటి సెంటెన్స్. నో సూనర్ డిడ్ ద బెల్ రింగ్ అన్నాడు, ద బెల్ ర్యాంగ్. యాక్చువల్గా ఇక్కడ ఏంది? ద బెల్ ర్యాంగ్. స్ట్రక్చర్ సబ్జెక్ట్ తర్వాత వర్బ్ వస్తుంది, కానీ ఇక్కడ హెల్పింగ్ వర్బ్ ముందుకు లాగిన చూడండి. డిడ్ ముందుకు లాగిన, ద బెల్ సబ్జెక్ట్ కంటే ముందు డిడ్ పెట్టినాం. యూజువల్లీ దిస్ ఈస్ డన్ ఇన్ క్వశ్చన్స్, రైట్? డిడ్ యూ గో? డిడ్ ద బెల్ రింగ్? ఇట్ ఈస్ ఎ క్వశ్చన్. బట్ when you begin a sentence with no sooner, did comes, I mean the helping verb comes before the subject. Did plus ring is equal to rang అనేది మీకు తెలుసు. Past form of the verb can be split into did plus present form. I told you a number of times. So no sooner did the bell ring, but ఉండదు ఇక్కడ. ఈ స్ట్రక్చర్ గుర్తుపెట్టుకోవాలి అంతే. No sooner did the bell ring than the boys left the class. No sooner did the bell ring than the boys left the class. Bell ring కాగానే boys class వదిలిపెట్టి వెళ్ళిపోయారు. Let us try some more sentences with this structure afterwards in the next slide. No sooner did the bell ring than the boys left the class. Then spelling చూడండి, than, than, than. Bell ring కాగానే than the boys left the class. This is the structure you have to remember. Though Malaysia is poor, he is honest. Malaysia is poor, but he is honest. In spite of being poor, Malaysia is honest. That also can be rewritten. In spite of being poor, Malaysia is honest. Our structure kuda untundi. Okay. Now, చూడండి, same sentence, I am giving you some more sentence. When we begin a sentence with a negative word, that is no sooner, we put the auxiliary verb before the subject. That is the rule. That is what I said. Auxiliary verb, that is did, before the subject. The bell mundu did vitnam. No sooner did the bell ring than the boys left the class. One more sentence. No sooner did I begin Zoom class than the girls joined, right? Student, please read both the sentences.
No sooner did the bell ring than the boys left the class. No sooner did I begin Zoom class than the girls joined.
Right. Can you try one more sentence with this structure? Just one sentence. I want you to give me one sentence. One sentence. అది కాగానే ఇది జరిగింది. నేను టీవీ ఆన్ చేయగానే మా ఫాదర్ వచ్చిండు. చెప్పండి. ట్రాన్స్లేట్ దిస్ ఇంటూ ఇంగ్లీష్ విత్ దిస్ స్ట్రక్చర్. నేను టీవీ స్విచ్ ఆన్ చేయగా.
I was watching TV, then only my father.
అదేం స్ట్రక్చర్ అమ్మా? కొత్త స్ట్రక్చర్ తయారు చేసినావు. అదేనా మనం చదువుతుంది ఇప్పుడు? వాట్ ఈస్ ద స్ట్రక్చర్ వి ఆర్ లెర్నింగ్? What is the structure I have been teaching?
No sooner
No
did
sooner.
I switch.
Yeah,
No
correct.
sooner
Correct.
did
Very
I.
good. Yes.
sooner I
switched
have
the
on
TV,
No sooner function started, all the relatives joined.
0 marks. What is the structure I have given on the screen and what is the structure you are giving? Follow the same structure. Don't
No
be
sooner did I join.
TV
No
join
sooner-
enava.
No sooner did I arrive.
Join enava.
No sooner did I arrive.
No sooner did I switch the TV than Dad came.
Correct. Correct.
No
Dani
sooner
question.
did I arrive at this.
Yeah. No sooner
No
did I arrive.
sooner. No sooner did I arrive at the station, then the train came.
Very good. Correct. Excellent sentence. No sooner did I, all of you note down. No sooner did I arrive at the station than the train came. No sooner did I arrive at the station than the train came. This is another structure. Let us not complicate it. No sooner did I arrive at the station than the train came. Right. టీవీ స్టార్ట్ చేయగానే నాన్న వచ్చిండు అన్న సెంటెన్స్ చెప్పలే ఎవరు ఇంకా? నేను టీవీ స్విచ్ ఆన్ చేయగానే.
No sooner I switched on the TV than the
No
than my
sooner I
dad
switched
came.
on TV. ఆ స్ట్రక్చర్ ఏంది చూడండి. Please look at the structure. What is the structure?
Did I? No sooner did I switch the TV than the Dad came.
Correct. No sooner did I switch on the TV than my dad came. No sooner did I switch on the TV than our dad came. Write this. No sooner did I switch on the TV, our dad came. See, these two sentences are tough. Let us not go into them. Okay, look at the fifth sentence. Same. No sooner did she close her eyes than she fell asleep. See, did plus close అంటే closed. కళ్ళు మూసుకుందో లేదో నిద్రలోకి జారిపోయింది. ఆమె కళ్ళు మూసుకున్నదో లేదో నిద్రలోకి జారిపోయింది. No sooner did she close her eyes than she fell asleep. ఇక్కడ చూడండి, ఇక్కడ మీకు if you remember perfect tense, past perfect tense, third and fourth sentences also become easy if you remember past perfect tense. You know, in past perfect tense, two things will happen. That means two verbs will be there in a sentence. Only then, to refer to the first thing that happened, we use past perfect tense. మేము స్టేషన్కి చేరేసరికి చేరగానే ట్రైన్ వెళ్ళిపోయింది. చేరేసరికే కాదు, నేను స్టేషన్కు చేరగానే ట్రైన్ వెళ్ళిపోయింది. సో ఇక్కడ జరిగింది నేను స్టేషన్కి చేరడం, అది ఐ హ్యాడ్ రీచ్డ్ ద స్టేషన్. ఓకే, ద ట్రైన్ లెఫ్ట్. టూ థింగ్స్ హ్యాపెన్ హియర్. బట్ పాస్ట్ పర్ఫెక్ట్ టెన్స్ కనుక ఇక్కడ హ్యాడ్ పెట్టినాం, నాట్ డిడ్. ఇది సింపుల్ పాస్ట్ టెన్స్ కనుక డిడ్ అన్నాం. నో సూనర్ డిడ్ ద బెల్ రింగ్ అంటే ద బెల్ ర్యాంగ్ అని అర్థం. ఇక్కడ నో సూనర్ హ్యాడ్ ఐ రీచ్డ్ అంటే ఐ హ్యాడ్ రీచ్డ్. Here it is past perfect tense. Okay, past perfect tense is used only two things happen in the past to refer to the first action. రెండిట్లలో మొదలు జరిగిందని చెప్పడానికి past perfect tense వాడతామని నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ టైమ్స్ చెప్పుకున్నాం. ఇక్కడ ఐ హ్యాడ్ రీచ్డ్ ద స్టేషన్, ద ట్రైన్ లెఫ్ట్. ఈ రెండు థింగ్స్ జరిగినాయి. ఏది మొదలు జరిగింది? ఐ హ్యాడ్ రీచ్ ద స్టేషన్. కనుక నో సూనర్ తోటి మొదలైనప్పుడు ఐ హ్యాడ్ రీచ్ ద స్టేషన్ అని. వీ డోంట్ సే ఐ హ్యాడ్ రీచ్ ద స్టేషన్. దిస్ హ్యాడ్ will be put in front of the subject I. No sooner had I reached the station than the train left. No sooner had we heard the noise than we rushed to the spot. ఆ శబ్దం వినగానే మేము ఆ స్పాట్కి ఉరికినాం, పరిగెత్తినాం. No sooner had we heard the noise than we rushed to the spot. Okay, please listen to watch the video on YouTube. I will upload it. I will upload all the videos. Listen to these again and again. Have you taken screenshot of this?
Yes, sir.
Now correct the errors quickly. Read it once. Read it once.
I have
Many friends,
Many friends. Correct.
many friends.
but Ankur is my best friend.
My best friend.
Correct. Uncle is my best friend. అదే మారదు. Uncle is the best friend కాదు. Uncle is my best. My అన్నాం కనుక ఇక్కడ దారాదు. Ankur is my best friend is correct. I have many friends, but Ankur is my best friend. Then next.
He studies in my class.
Studied.
Right.
He
Studied
studies in-
studies అనేది మీరు ఒకసారి చదవండి. అందుకే is it about the past thing or the present thing? If it is about present thing, it becomes he studies in my class. If it is a past one, he studied in my class. So if you read the entire paragraph once, you will understand whether it should be in present tense or past tense.
She studies in
He studies in my class because we go to school together అన్నాడు. అవునా?
Yes, sir.
We
Yes,
go
sir.
to school
Yes,
together
sir.
అంటే ఇప్పుడు స్కూల్లో క్లాస్మేట్. Hence it has to be he.
She studies in my
Studies.
class.
He studies in my class. He studies in my class. We go to school together
By walking.
by foot.
మీరు నిన్న జరిగింది ఈరోజు మర్చిపోతే ఎట్లా? ఆల్రెడీ చెప్పిందే ఇది. మళ్ళీ ప్రతిరోజు చెప్పాలా? బై వాక్ అనేది ఉంటుందా? ఆన్ ఫుట్ ఉంటుంది.
By foot.
ఆన్ ఫుట్,
On
నాట్ బై
foot.
ఫుట్.
On
ఆన్ ఫుట్.
On foot.
We go to school together on foot. By walk is wrong. You have to remember whatever we learned until yesterday. Every day you need not learn afresh. Yeah, next. We
We also sit
We
together.
also
Sit
sat
together.
together to do our homework.
Yes, we also sit together to do our homework. Next.
He is good at studies
Hmm.
and helps the students who are weak in studies.
He is good
At
at, okay, good tarvata at ravali. That is a usual thing. But he is good with studies also appears correct to me. He is good with studies. Okay. He is good at studies and helps the students who are weak in studies. Okay. Next.
Ankur is the monitor of our class.
There is no mistake in it. Right. Next. He obeys. Yeah.
Obeys and
Correct.
respect
Kada.
and
He-
give
Respect.
respect and give
Nothing.
respect.
No, there is nothing wrong in this. He obeys and respect. I respect you. Correct. Kada. He
Yes, sir.
respects his teachers. That's correct. He obeys and respects his teachers and parents.
He won many prizes to our school.
What is wrong with he has won many prizes also is correct. He has won many prizes for our school. Here the mistake is here. He has
our
won
school.
many prizes for our school.
Sometimes he comes late to school.
Comes late to school.
Yes, correct.
Late to
Correct. Next.
He wants to become a doctor.
Correct. There is no mistake.
Doctor.
There is no mistake. He wants to become a doctor.
school.
He has been living in Hyderabad.
Living in Hyderabad.
So again, prepositions ఎప్పుడు అయిపోయింది మనకి? Long back we completed prepositions, but even now you don't remember. Since ఎప్పుడు వస్తుంది, for ఎప్పుడు వస్తుంది, you don't remember. Then I will send you a joke which is in circulation about COVID batch. ఆ నెగటివ్ వస్తున్నది కోవిడ్ బ్యాచ్ అని చాలా ఎక్కిరిస్తున్నారు. మీరు అది ప్రూవ్ చేయకూడదు ప్లీజ్. ఇక్కడ సిన్స్ వస్తుందా ఫర్ వస్తుందా ఎందుకు ఏది వస్తుంది చెప్పండి. He has been living in Hyderabad since 6 years. He has been living in Hyderabad for 6 years. Tell me. అంటే చెప్పండి. కరెక్షన్ ఆఫ్ సెంటెన్స్ అంటే ప్రపోజిషన్స్ ఉంటాయి, టెన్సెస్ ఉంటాయి, డైరెక్ట్ ఇండైరెక్ట్ ఉంటుంది, అన్ని ఉంటాయి. Everything will be covered in correction of sentences. You have to be thorough with everything.
From
Since for ఎందుకు ఫర్ చెప్పండి. Why should we use for? Period of time.
Period of time, sir.
Correct. Period of time కనుక ఫర్ రావాలి. ఇక్కడ సిన్స్ ఉండాలంటే ఏముండాలి ఇక్కడ నెక్స్ట్?
Beginning point of
ఏంటి చెప్పు ఏముండాలి చెప్పు. పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ టైం. వాట్ ఇస్ ద పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ టైం?
1996 like that, sir.
Yeah, right. He has been living in Hyderabad
Yes.
since 2015. Correct. 1996 laga. Yes. Next. He is inspired by his cousin brother Krishna.
He got inspired by his cousin brother.
What is the mistake here in this sentence?
He got inspired by his cousin brother Krishna.
No. See, he is inspired is correct. There is nothing wrong in it. What the mistake is here, cousin brother, cousin sister, such expressions are not there in English. It should be cousin, that's all. It may be a brother or a
He is
sister.
inspired by his Krishna.
He is inspired by his cousin Krishna. అర్థమైందా? మా కజిన్ సిస్టర్ వచ్చింది నిన్న అనకండి. కజిన్ వచ్చింది, దట్స్ ఆల్. కజిన్ బ్రదర్ వచ్చిండు అనొద్దు. కజిన్ హ్యాస్ కమ్. My cousin came yesterday. There is no cousin brother, there is no cousin sister in English. Now correct this one quickly.
There are so many mistakes in the book.
Correct. Next, this one. I am not knowing why they have not come.
I don't know why they are not.
I don't know why they have, correct. I don't know why they have come. I am not knowing అనేది English లో లేదు. Such
Yes,
expression does not exist in English. I don't know why they have not come.
Apostrophe H should not come, sir.
Yes, correct. Apostrophe should not be there. S should be attached to K. He works in a
K.
bank.
Yes.
ఇది చాలా మంది మిస్టేక్ చేసే అవకాశం ఉంది. Its tail is long. We are talking about a dog అనుకోండి. We are talking about the puppy we have. Its tail is long. We have a dog. Its tail is long. What is the mistake here? Tell me. Apostrophe is used for two things. I told you earlier also. Apostrophe is used for possession. Okay. Raju apostrophe yes. Raju's book means possession. కలిగి ఉండడం. రాజు యొక్క book. Raju's book. That is one. And if there is any letter missing, we use apostrophe. If there is any letter missing, we use apostrophe. But in case of it, here we use apostrophe only when the letter is missing. It is, its tail means it is, tail is long. Its యొక్క అనాలనుకుంటే ఇక్కడ ఒక ఎగ్జెప్షన్. There is no apostrophe. దాని యొక్క అంటే its it without apostrophe s, its, its tail is long. దాని టైల్ లాంగ్ గా ఉంది. ఇటు ఒక్కదానికి అట్లా ఎగ్జాంప్షన్ ఉంది. పొజిషన్ ఉన్నా కానీ అపాస్ట్రఫీ ఉండదు. ఓన్లీ లెటర్ మిస్ అయితేనే అపాస్ట్రఫీ ఉంటుంది. ఇట్ ఈజ్ అన్నమాట ఇక్కడ ఇట్స్ అంటే. THERE అపాస్ట్రఫీ ఎస్ ఏందది? దేర్స్ అంటే ఏంది అర్థం? There is one letter is missing. I is missing there. Okay. Hyderabad is old city.
Hyderabad is a old city.
Is a old city, an old city?
An old city.
An old city, because again this is about articles. Oh, old. This word begins with a vowel sound, so an will come. Hyderabad is an old city. Right, next.
It is an interesting place.
Correct. వెంటనే చెప్పాలి. టెన్సెస్ మీరు చదవట్లేరా అర్థమవుతుంది దీన్ని బట్టి. I told you, you have to read tenses every day.
She has been working for 4 years.
Yeah, correct. She has been working for 4 years because the action began in the past and is continuing in the present. For that, we have to use present perfect continuous tense. If we say she is working, we are saying about only what she is doing now. She is working now, we can say. But when you say she began working before 4 years, you have to use present perfect continuous. She has been working for 4 years. Come on, quick. It is happening usually every day. I will get up early every day.
Gets it.
If something happens every day, if something is a habitual action, which tense has to be used?
Simple present.
Simple present. Now tell me.
I get up every day, early every day.
Right. I get up early every day.
When are you coming?
When
Yes.
are you coming?
When are you coming?
Please
Please call me in the evening.
Right.
In the evening will
Please call me in the evening. So you can read all the sentences once again. First the left correct, incorrect one, and then the correct one. Come on, we have less than a minute. We are going to disperse in a minute, and then you can
There
join
is
the next
so
class.
many mistakes in the book. There are so many mistakes in the book. I'm not knowing why they have not come. I don't know why they have
There are
not
so many
come.
mistakes in the
There
book. I'm not
was
knowing
If you want, you can
why
take a
they have
screenshot.
not come.
If you want, you can take a screenshot. Whenever you want, you can take a screenshot. Yes, are you reading? Have you completed reading?